Chantal Bakker. I'm the founder of Foundation Pikala. We are active here in Morocco, based in Marrakesh. The aim or the vision of our project is to use the bicycle to make cities more healthy and inclusive. We do that actually by creating employment and education opportunities for youth through the bike. And one of our most successful commercial concepts is the guided bike tours here in Marrakesh and in other cities in Morocco. So it's a very authentic encounter for tourists to explore the city, have a great ride around the city center and have an encounter with a local, because we train young Moroccans to be guides. And then with the revenues of these activities, our ecotourism projects, we actually finance our social projects. So we do bicycle donations, we do road safety workshops, we give cycling classes to women, we do a lot on mechanics, like teach youth how to repair bikes, even with disabled kids. So we have a whole social package that we're financing with our commercial activities, and the ecotourism project is the biggest motor that we have for the moment. It's a very successful concept, and it makes our organization flourish here in Morocco.